I'm Mitch Masters. I'm the co-founder at Microf. I started the business in 2011 with Jay Kimbrough and Greg Jacobs, specifically designed to finance homeowners who couldn't find financing for their residential replacement HVAC system. When someone tells you that a $5,000, $8,000, $12,000 plus system is out, what is your response? Within the first 3 questions I would ask is, how much is it? And then once they tell me, I'm probably going to take a deep breath and go, how am I going to pay for it? What we started thinking about is, what if we offered financing in order to provide opportunities for those people who didn't have money, didn't have the credit, didn't have the credit cards, but ultimately still needed that same asset. Most contractors, even today, don't offer financing. Of those who do offer financing, they only do it about 30% of the time. So when you do the math, you're talking about sub 10% of the time that financing is really in this market. Some people in the world have a bad credit score, and we don't look at it the same way other people do. What we do look at is other characteristics. Do you own the home? Do you have a job? Do you have the ability to pay for this asset? To us, a 3-digit score is in many ways meaningless. We've got countless stories of the number of people that we've helped that had no other place to turn to. They could not turn to a bank, they could not turn to a family member, they could not turn to a contractor. They were literally helpless, and we've been able to provide opportunities for those individuals. And to hear those stories, to read those letters, to read those emails, and to take those phone calls, it really hits home.